Hi guys, so sorry you have missed a day's work. We had a huge storm in the city where I live and we had a 12 hours power outage. But the top is now filled. I filled the whole 3/4 with resin. The rest I'm going to do with a product they call magic wood. So we'll see how that works. For today we're going to continue with legs, or the base of the table. I've got a bit of a problem on the one leg, it's split open. So first I'm going to fix that. It's not too bad, it's quite steady, but with the correct pocket hole system, I'll decide which one will work the best. I'm going to just reinforce it a bit before we start sanding. So enjoy. So what I just realized is that by doing the pocket holes, I'm just screwing into the tenons of the existing rails. So it's not really screwing into the legs. So I'll have to take the long route now, take out the dowel pins and re-glue and re-dowel it. So for those who don't understand what I meant by the pocket hole ends up in the tenon, if you look at it like that, that's where the pocket hole ends up. So it's not a very big picture, very good picture. But yes, so it will be absolutely a futile exercise. I managed to get all of the pins out. It looks like this. Came out all the holes. Oh, sorry, it's very dark. You can't really see. But I got the pins out. So now I'm just going to re-glue, clamp the whole table up and re-pin it. So change of plans guys. I just decided while I got it apart, it might be easier if I sand it as it is. Funny thing, it seems to be quite bigger dowels that was in here. These are the ones we removed. And yeah, all of them's got that, and even in the leg there's only the small pinhole. So I don't know if this might have come from a different table sometime. All of them were huge dowels, and now it's just the small dowels that we just took out. The whole lot is the same. And then another thing, they seem to have used some shims everywhere, on all the sides and all the edges. So yeah, let's go. So after a few minutes of sanding, more than a few minutes, everything is sanded except for the problem leg. That I'll sand once it's all assembled again. Now I'm going to start assembling, just re-gluing, clamping, get this thing in the clamp so that tomorrow hopefully I can finish it. There we are. After a few minutes I managed to get all the stiles and rails together. The table is one piece again. All the joints are very nicely came together. So let's see. I think this is going to be a major success. One very old table restored. So if all goes well, by tomorrow evening this will be a complete project again. Okay, so it's Friday afternoon. I'm just going to do a quick tidy up of the workshop. It's full of dust, the tools are all over the place. Just going to fix it up a bit and then we'll continue with the table. So the workshop is clean enough. We're going to continue with the table now. First we're going to put new dowels on the dowel holes everywhere, and then we'll continue sanding up to a 220, and then we'll start varnishing.